How do you change the name of the game? Connected products will make physical activities more interactive and enjoyable. And that's just the beginning. When an analog ball enters the digital smart world, we alter the scoreboard in more ways than one. A smart ball can track every speed and spin, providing performance feedback to improve the skills of the player. Welcome to the future of the game, the smart connected ball. Our journey begins with innovation and industrial design. We start by blending creative ideation with functional use cases. We envisioned a ball that not only performs on the field, but also enhances the player's experience through smart features. Combining aesthetic, functional, and ergonomic designs, we set out to create a memorable experience for every user. Next, our hardware engineering and design team takes center stage. Developing a proof of concept requires meticulous technical development using high-quality physical components. From selecting the right parts to system design and prototypes, each step ensures robust performance, reliability, and efficiency. Rigorous testing optimizes the ball's performance, making sure it stands up to the demands of the game. Behind the scenes, our software engineering team crafts the brain of the smart ball. Firmware engineering focuses on low-level code that directly controls the hardware components, ensuring seamless software integration. Simultaneously, our cloud infrastructure is key for storage and analytics, and is set up to host and run custom web and mobile applications. The intuitive app, designed with user-centric UI and UX, allows players to interact effortlessly with their smart ball. IoT connectivity is also key. Our IoT framework enables the smart ball to communicate with other devices, networks, and platforms, facilitating real-time data exchange and remote control. Advanced cybersecurity prevents digital attacks, theft, and damage. Secure data transmission ensures that every interaction is protected, while continuous monitoring provides proactive insights to enhance performance and user engagement. Data analysis is at the heart of our smart ball. We gather, process, and analyze time series data generated from every kick, pass, and goal. By understanding usage patterns, performance metrics, and user behavior around the environment, we leverage analytics to make informed decisions. Timing matters when you want to anticipate needs and get ahead. This time series-based data analysis gives users actionable insights to improve performance. Taking it a step further, artificial intelligence transforms data insights into personalized improvement plans. Our AI models use advanced machine learning to recognize patterns, offer predictive insights, and cater to individual needs. Gen AI features enhanced training sessions, providing players with tailored feedback and strategies to elevate their game. When your goal is delivering transformative, connected solutions, scoring all of this and more is possible through PwC's connected products and solutions capabilities.